Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Brain with Blitz GK. Today I'm going to show you how you can format your Realme 9i Android smartphone device. So for this device I forgot the password, I'm not able to get into the device, so I'm going to format it. So just press and hold the power key for 3 to 5 seconds and then swipe it down to shut it down. So once it is shut down, we have to wait for 2 to 3 seconds and then press the volume down. You can see the volume down key and then the power button together. So simultaneously we have to press both the key together and we have to wait for 6 to 7 seconds until we get this screen come up. So let's wait for some time and we are going to see some more options. Here you can see we have to select the language, so we are going to select the English language. So let's select the volume down button to go down, or else you can just use your screen touch to select the options. So here we are going to select the format data. So let's select format data here, and you can see the verification code on the screen. You have to enter the same verification code here and then format the data. So it's formatting. We will see one. Yes, we got data formatted. So that is the options we were waiting for. Now let's wait for some time and we should see some of the options coming up. And after this, what is going to happen is the phone will be into the brand new settings, like how when we purchase from the shop, when we turn it on, it asks us to do this initial setup. The same setup we are going to do here. So once we wait for some time, we will see another screen coming up. Alright, so it's gonna take around 2 to 3 minutes. Be patient and just wait for some time. You can see here the hello screen came up. So you have to follow on screen instructions, select the language, click on next and then select the region. We have to select India. Let's click on continue. Alright, so we have to check all these options. We have to tick it and then select next. Alright, if you want to see what is this document, you can click here and then you can go through it. Otherwise not required, and then click on next. It's gonna take a long time if you go through those documents. So now we will try to connect with the Wi-Fi. It is asking for the password. Let's enter the password. Alright, once I enter the password, I'll try connecting, and I'm going to change the Wi-Fi password right away after this video. Okay, you can see it is connecting and now it is connected. Alright, so we will click on next and we will follow the on-screen instructions here. Okay, so you can see it says getting your phone ready. And one more tips I want to give you is, when you format your device, try to enter the same email address when you sign in back, so that all your contacts will come up automatically and you do not have to type the contacts manually one by one. So that is very painful. That's why you should not be doing that. And formatting the device is like you can format the device when it is working slow also. In that situation also, once you format it, once you set up your device, the performance will be like new one. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe to this channel and please share it with your friends. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.